My monk mode strategy that allows me to feel good and get done. So the first is eat no processed sugar. It makes you feel like crap. The second thing is daily meditation. Sounds boring, it's not. Third thing is read 5 pages daily of any book that's going to feed your mind with something good. It's an absolute game changer. The fourth thing is no phone after 8:30 at night and no phone before 8:30 in the morning. The next one, a little bit unusual, but it's Zen till 10, which means no meetings, no anything before 10 o'clock, and then take no meetings on a Monday and a Friday. Total game changer. The value that you can get done in those days is absolutely huge when you've not got distractions from team or customers or clients. Going to bed at 9:30 is the next one. Might sound old man, it is, however, total game changer. Do it on weekends as well, and you just keep that consistent bedtime. You can get up early, you feel fresh, and you never ruin that pattern and routine. Final thing, 30 minutes of exercise every single day, regardless of what that is. Could be a walk, could be anything, home workout, ideally going to the gym, but 30 minutes at least every day. And that is my monk mode.